Hey, hi guys, Ruben Ultima Wong here. A gamer friend of mine, Nathan Cooper, has asked me to do a video review of a mechanical keyboard that I just bought. Just my first time trying this. Let's just jump straight to it and just talk about the keyboard. Okay, so here's the box. Aivia Osmium or something. It's from Gigabyte. I was looking for another keyboard, right? I was looking for the CM Storm keyboard, but I just saw this and I just couldn't help but notice it. Yeah. Alright, and so here's the keyboard. As you can see, it's like nice and all. And the cool thing is that there's a detachable rest. Right. A little bit more about this. It's plastic. It's not rubbery. I don't think it will wear off or become sticky if you play a lot of this. So yeah, it looks pretty good, stable, and you can take it out. I think the cool thing is that if you transport this in a competition or something, you won't have to like have the whole big fat keyboard taking up a lot of space. So it probably fits a Razer bag. Another cool thing is other than the texture, you can turn on the lights. It's adjustable by rollers. Yeah, the rollers. Right. So this adjusts the lighting, and the sound. Yeah. So to actually get the color, you just press the function key and just move this up, and the lights come on, and you can adjust it, the intensity, right? This is the highest, and it looks pretty cool. It's really backlight, and I think the cool thing is that you can actually remove every key. There's a key remover thing. One feature that I like is the customizable. You can customizable keys. You can replace them. I'm not sure if it's focused well, but yeah. Here you can see lightning, fire, defense. I think these are macros for MMORPGs or something. And they have this cute button that has 5 programmable gamer profiles. Every time you press it, it changes color. So that's 5 of them. I didn't install the driver software. I don't really use macros, but I just like the fact that it has blue backlight and it feels great. So this is how the keyboard sounds like when I type. Right, the spacebar, it's regardless of how you press it, it's always evenly pressed. Yep, and this is how it sounds like on a Razer keyboard that I had. This is the blue cherry key. The one that I had on the new one is a red cherry key. Okay, the difference is there's something wrong with the spacebar. It always, let's just say that it's not really well positioned. It always comes out and I've got to fix it. Yeah, that's a problem. Right, so anti-ghosting. Okay, finally my mic button was actually H, and I couldn't press this if I was holding, like if I was crouching, pressing forward and strafing at the same time. The H won't appear. I'm holding W now, right? If I hold Control and I'm holding D, and now I'm pressing the mic button H, you can see the H is there, right? So at least it registers. So that's the one limitation I had with the previous keyboard. I couldn't do that, and that's why I had to bind it to the mouse 5 button, which is unfortunate. Overall, I'm quite pleased with the overall build quality. Doesn't look like it's cheapskate. It feels pretty sturdy as well. Heavy. It's got nice protectors for its cabling, gold plated. Yep. There's two USB ports. One is just a normal regular one, and the USB 3.0 over here. I used to use the Razer Blackwidow. Overall, it's fine. I mean, it's not like it's really bad, but the spacebar was a problem for me, and the fact that I had to reconfigure, and I couldn't press more than 4 keys at the same time. I had the fourth key register was a problem. Overall, I like the fact that there's an armrest there's a wrist rest for this new keyboard, and that's detachable. So when you bring it along, you can always just detach it. And I like the fact there's two USB slots on that keyboard. And I like the color blue, so that makes up for it. Yeah, I was looking for the CM Storm Quickfire TK actually, but I stumbled across this, and for 185 Singapore dollars, I think it's pretty good. The build quality is pretty good. Yeah, adios.